New video coming out of California tonight shows homes destroyed by the airport fire. It's one of the 3 major fires burning in Southern California at this hour. Welcome back and thanks for staying with us for KREM 2 News at 4:30. I'm Amanda Rowley. Whitney is on assignment tonight. The smoke from the California fires can be seen for miles. CBS News reports on the growing threat.
Explosions rocked this neighborhood as the airport fire ripped through, burning homes and cars in its path. The wind-driven wildfires south of Los Angeles raged Tuesday night, crossing over Orange and Riverside counties north of San Diego and jumping a major highway. Firefighters were seen battling the blaze from the road, clearing the way for evacuees to escape. As the fire devoured surrounding hillsides, residents nearby watch and wait.
It's getting a little scarier now. We are trying to, as homeowners, just stay relaxed and calm through this process.
Officials say they believe the fire was accidentally started by a public works crew that were using heavy equipment in the area on Monday. In LA County, the bridge fire near Mount Baldy exploded Tuesday evening from 3,000 acres to 34,000 acres in just a matter of hours. Adam Yamaguchi, CBS News.
Right now, 71 major fires are burning across the lower 48 states.